and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of some beautiful lace and other items that came to me from Two Sister Jam. I will link them below. They always send it in this beautiful packaging. It's always something different every time, and it's just awesome. Of course, I'm going to save that paper. Of the color. A nice olive green. Oh, wow. Yes. Everything's always packaged so nicely. You got my little note there. Let's get into this. My invoice. First up is this beautiful cream gathered lace. And now we have a bag full of laces with this pretty gingham tie. I love that gingham tie. You get to keep that for something special. Ooh, look at these beautiful blue laces. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm doing a lot of blue projects right now, so I knew that I needed some blue. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Here's some pretty cream laces. Gorgeous. Lovely. Put this back in the bag so we have room to see everything else. Let's see what's inside of this pretty bag. I love it. Oh, it's all of those doilies, the little doily pieces. These make the most beautiful clusters. Oh, I just love making clusters with these and just decorating up ephemera heaven. I love them. Assorted colors, assorted sizes. Thank you so much, ladies. The two sisters are Dana and Stacy. My brain shut off for a moment there. And they run the shop together. And they're my friends. They're awesome. Now let's see what we got in here. Ooh, some cream colored goodies. Oh, what's this? Buttons. Beautiful buttons. Look at all those buttons. Oh, I love it. I love it. So many different colors and sizes. Thank you, ladies. Oh, they have sent me another piece. I'll show you in a moment. Oh, how gorgeous. The beautiful applique. Oh, yes. Here it is. I love these. I love these. I don't know what they're called, but they are so gorgeous. Oh, and they feel so good to the touch. All this creamy lace. Yes, this is exactly what I needed. Beautiful goodies, beautifully packaged. I am so thankful, grateful, and blessed. Thank you all for joining me today and watching my little quick unboxing of all these special goodies. I really appreciate it. I hope you all will follow the links to their shop, the link to their shop below. And oh, looky here. We have some more. Oh, how nice. Rolodex and some tickets, tags. Yes, love it. More Rolodex. Thank you so much. Yes, I can get on in on those Rolodex challenges now. But I'm so thankful that you all joined me today. I hope you visit their shop and give them some business because, as you can see, they really they do you upright. They really do. I hope you all have a wonderful, happy day. Bye.